Hey, Kyle here with Maple Systems. Today we're going to take a look at our Android 11 octa-core industrial rugged tablet, the RT1310A. Let's take a look. The RT1310A has an Android 11 operating system powered by an MTK MT6771 octa-core processor, as well as an ARM Cortex A73 quad-core 2 GHz CPU and an ARM Cortex A53 quad-core 2 GHz CPU. It has ARM Male G72 graphics, a removable lithium-ion polymer battery that's 3.8 volts. It has an internal storage of 64 GB SSD. It's designed to withstand the harshest environments, being MIL standard 810H certified for drop and vibration, and IP67 rated for full submersive water resistance. It's built with a 10-inch Gorilla Glass projective TFT LCD capacitive touchscreen and supported by stylus, glove, and wet touch modes. It has sensors, which include compass, G-sensor, light sensor, and gyroscope. There's a front fixed focus camera and a rear autofocus camera with flash. It has dual band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. It has cellular capabilities that's been tested with AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. It has GNSS including GPS, GLONASS, and Beidou. It has a Newland barcode reader that supports 1D and 2D and has an NFC reader. It has an operating temperature of -10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius or 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, now I'm going to unbox the RT1310A, and when you first receive your rugged tablet, this is the box that it will come in. So let's remove the cover. And inside will be the Maple Systems warranty. The rugged tablets come with a 1-year warranty, but you have options to purchase an extended warranty. Then underneath that, wrapped in anti-static plastic, is the RT1310A. Here's the tablet. Move that aside. Underneath the tablet in another Ziploc bag is the hand strap with screws. Then finally, in another white box is where you would find the 2 power conversion heads right here. That's in its own plastic bag. And then also in that box is the USB-C USB-A adapter along with the power cord. Here is the tablet using the hand strap. You can also purchase additional accessories. There's an office dock / charging station with a power adapter and USB Type-C cable, which is 3 feet, a vehicle docking station and mounting arm, and a cigarette lighter powered in-vehicle charger. And you can also get the same kit and just swap out the cigarette lighter powered in-vehicle charger for a vehicle bare wire charger. Okay, let's take a look at the I/O. First, we'll take a look at the top. Starting over on the left side is the power button. Next to that are the volume keys. And then on each side, you'll notice that there are 2 barcode scan keys. On the side, starting over on the right, you have a USB-C charging port, then a mini HDMI port, a headphone jack, and a USB-A 3.0 port. On the other side is an RJ45 port. On the bottom, starting in the middle, there is a 12-pin docking connector, and then on either side, there are 2 loudspeakers. On the back, there are 4 screws for the hand strap, an NFC card reader, a rear image camera, a barcode reader, a removable lithium-ion battery. Underneath the battery, there is a SIM card / SD card shared slot, and located under the battery is the model name and the build number, and you will need the build number to reorder your rugged tablet. Now I'm going to power on the unit. So on the top of the tablet, hold down the power button, then the Android logo. Now it's powered on. Swipe up, enter your passcode, and Android users will find this very familiar, as it can do all the same things that an Android phone can do. So you swipe up, you will see all of your apps. Now I want to show you how well the capacitive touch works with these gloves. Let's go to Google Chrome, and here's maplesystems.com. We'll just navigate through the website. And you can see how easy it is to navigate using gloves with the capacitive touch. And that is the Android-powered rugged tablet, the RT1310A. Well, that wraps up everything today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial rugged tablets, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.